Bonjour et bienvenue. This tutorial will show you how to browse the Culturethèque website on your smartphone. On your smartphone, open up a browser like Safari, Chrome, or Firefox and go to culturethèque.com. On the top left of the browser, you'll see a padlock icon. Tap the icon to log in. At the top of the page, beneath the Culturethèque logo, you'll see the search box. Type your search term and tap on the magnifying glass icon. The search results will appear as a list. Swipe upwards to browse the titles that appear from your search. In this example, I'll tap on the screen to select Les Trois Mousquetaires, or The Three Musketeers by Alexandre Dumas, which is an ebook that comes with an audio component. Swipe your screen upward until you see View Online, Lire le livre. Tap on Lire le livre. A new browser window will open to launch the reading app eBook. Above the words Media Overlay, tap on the speaker icon to close the volume and narration speed window. At this point, you can swipe your screen right to left, just as you might turn the pages of a physical book. The audio component can be turned on and off by tapping the play icon at the top.
Chapitre 1.
Use your smartphone volume button to adjust the volume.
Surtout si se battre est défendu.
The narrator will follow along as you swipe
Raison pour
pages.
vous de l'aimer.
Swiping is not necessary, however,
Première bataille.
because the ebook automatically moves to the next page when the narration reaches the end of each page. To change the speed of narration, click on the volume icon at the top and slide the rate button to speed up or slow down the narration.
Puis 900 kilomètres, à cause du malheureux cheval, D'Artagnan a peur d'être insulté.
This concludes the tutorial on using the Culturethèque website on your smartphone, as well as reading and listening to ebooks on the site. Je vous souhaite une très bonne journée et à bientôt!